referred about the jnana from the previous birth thought. So I think that is in our subconsciousness. What can we do to tap into our consciousness, utilize it in karma,
yes.
current birth?
Yeah. So there are two things before answering. किसी ने बहुत अच्छी बात बोली है इसी क्वेश्चन को लेके कि consciously, if you are a businessman or you are a scientist or you are a homemaker, whatever you are, consciously do your job perfectly with consciousness. Right? Subconsciously think that you are doing Bhagwan's job. कितनी बड़ी बात है, बहुत कठिन है ना, आसान नहीं है. Consciously do that, right? आप जो भी business कर रहे हैं 100%, because you have to be perfect. For example, I am by profession I am an auditor. Actually, I am an auditor, right? And technology audit. My report goes to CFO and CEO. I work for a public company. They write on that. They sign on that. And if there is something, my stock will go down if the report is wrong. So I have like 400 controls I sign up, right? IT controls. I'm responsible for each and every control to be 100%. 100% is 100 because it's going to go to SEC. And some investor will find, oh yeah, your company last year your software was hacked. We saw that there is a breach in your company. Stock will go down. So 100%. That time, but at the same time, subconsciously I think that, and I'm not making a statement. मैंने भी सीखा ही है. I feel like ये भगवान का ही काम कर रहा हूँ. I'm being paid because I'm blessed. I'm in America. अच्छा job है, जो भी मेरी reasonable job. That's भगवान की कृपा है. That should be in some conscious mind. That attitude कि ये जो भी कर रहे हैं job, ये सब ठीक है, but this is all भगवान की कृपा. So consciously, you're right. So how to tap that subconscious में जो हमारे है? The only way is that I am a big promoter of संध्या वंदनम. 3 बार संध्या वंदनम कीजिए. हमारे विश्व, they are very smart people. And the moment the word I use संध्या वंदनम, people are scared, right? कि वो कुछ गुरुकुल हैं, छोटी मोटी लगा के बैठे हुए हैं, and then दुर्वा हाथ में है, and then अर्घ दे रहे हैं सूर्य को. No. That was that time. And the beauty of our, and भगवद गीता पढ़ने वाले को तो कोई प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है. कृष्ण ने जो सन्यासी की परिभाषा दी है, it's not a traditional सन्यासी. He says, अर्जुन ने पूछा सन्यासी कौन है? So he says, यो न द्वेष्टि न कांक्षति. जो द्वेष नहीं करता, द्वेष means who doesn't have likes and dislikes. He's a सन्यासी. What a definition. अभी हम सोचे कि सन्यासी में भगवा अवस्था ना होता. So how to tap that? भगवद गीता says, भगवान ने, अर्जुन ने भगवान को पूछा. So there are 2 solutions. भगवान says, अभ्यासेन to वैराग्येन. There are 2 things. Abhyas, practice, and vairagya. Vairagya again, let's not take vairagya means running away from something. Overcome likes and dislikes. That's it. Rag, when we use word rag and dvesh to go together. They're not all. We sometimes say, actually it should be virag dvesh, ideally. We have to supply that dvesh. So you have to be without rag and dvesh, without likes and dislikes. And if we start practicing that, automatic वो जो आप बोले ना टैप करने का, टैप कुछ नहीं करना, वो खुद ही आ जाएगा बाहर. It's like कि मेरे कमरे में sunlight नहीं आ रही है, and I see there's a bright sun outside. What's the problem here? My windows are shut down or I have a shutter. Take the shutter out, sunlight will come. So भगवान गीता में भगवान says, right, 6th chapter, अभ्यासेन तु वैराग्येन. Keep doing this again and again, and the likes and dislikes. Overcome likes. If we keep having likes and dislikes, you will never have vairagya. ये तो हमारे सब शास्त्र होते हैं. Whenever I say these things, I see Vimal Bhai, Abhay ji, they have practiced themselves these kind of things. But so yes, practice again and again. और practice की वही बात है कि रोज करना है. हमारे simple. I am a big promoter of संध्या वंदनम and पंच यज्ञ महायज्ञ. Every day do पंच महायज्ञ. I think I have said this many times. Some of you have heard it. I keep saying that because it is true. This is the practice our rishis have done. Panch Mahayagya, if you don't know, I just very quickly repeat. It is in the book. Today you are getting there's a whole page on Panch Mahayagya. Rishi Yagya, Dev Yagya, Pitra Yagya, Manushya Yagya, Bhut Yagya. It is explained in that. you are going to get the book, not buy it. One page is explained. We can do every day all 5, and I do every day. That's the reason I promote that. It's so simple. All 5 you can do every day. कुछ भी नहीं करना होता. सब में वो you can do. And then 3 days, 3 times संध्यावंदनम is the word is संध्यावंदनम. आप गायत्री मंत्र ले लीजिए, हनुमान चालीसा ले लीजिए, doesn't matter. और ध्यान तो मेडिटेशन तो हमें मेडिटेशन करना नहीं होता है, मेडिटेशन होता है, बट मेडिटेटिव स्टेट में जाना ही चाहिए एवरी डे. We'll do that before we close today. We have time. So let's do meditation. आपने पूछा तो वो टैप कैसे करना है? Sit straight.